Good morning, children. So, we are going to start with the new grammar topic, that is reported speech. And you have done this in class 6, 7th, and 8th also. So, let's have a very quickly recap or the revision of it. Changing direct speech into indirect speech means reporting the words of the speaker in your own words. When the words of the speaker are reported in the same way as the speaker had said them, it is called direct speech. Okay, so the example which you are looking here, Ram said, I am a brave boy. Okay, so this example is a direct speech. Fine, and is done with the help of inverted commas. So you have seen that we have inverted commas also here. Okay, and this is called direct speech. So when you have to change into indirect speech, okay, what are the rules that we are going to learn? So first of all, let's see what is Ram said. So Ram said is a reported verb, reporting verb. Okay, this is called reporting verb, and the sentence which is in the inverted comma, this is called reported speech. Fine, children. So here is example, Ram said, I am a brave boy. So it's very clear now to you that this sentence is in direct speech. Now we are going to change into indirect speech. So for this, there are certain rules, okay, that we are going to recap very quickly. So the first rule is simple present changes into simple past. So the simple present sentence changes into simple past. For example, she said, I like to read. So she said that she liked to read. So like word changes into liked. Okay, so this is called simple present tense. So simple present tense changes into past, so you have to use here liked. In the same way, present continuous changes into past continuous. Okay, so if I just give you the example, he said, I am writing a letter. Okay, so he said that, so I am writing. Okay, this will change into he was writing. Fine, so I am writing changes into he was writing. Present perfect. We all know that in present perfect we use has or have. Okay, so this will change into had. Fine. For example, she said, I have done my work. She said that she had done her work. Fine. So here present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. For example, he said, I have been writing a novel for 2 months. So I have been. I have been writing. Okay. This will change into he said that he had been writing. Fine. He had been writing a novel for 2 months. Simple past changes into past perfect. For example, Mohan said, I lost my pen. Fine. So Mohan said that he had lost. He had lost his pen. Fine. So here we have another rules also. Past continuous. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. For example, I said I was playing football. So you have to keep in mind is very important that was or were. This will change into had been. Fine. So I said that I had been playing football. Fine, children. So now past perfect, when it is past perfect you don't have to change. When it is past perfect continuous you don't have to change. And when it is universal truth, then also you don't have to change the sentences. If the reporting verb is present or future tense, there will be no change in the reported speech. For example, here you see Ram says. So says is present tense. So here I have not changed the sentence. See, I have not changed here that Ram says I am a brave boy. So Ram says that he is a brave boy. But in spite of says, if it would be said, then this sentence we are going to change. Ram said that he was a brave boy. Okay. So when this reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, or it may be Ram says will or Ram will say, then also you are not going to change the reported speech. Fine, children. I think it's very much clear to you. Now here are certain more rules and you are aware of it. This changes into that, these changes into those, come changes into go, a go changes into before, will changes into would, shall changes into should, may changes into might, last night changes into the previous night. Okay, and yesterday changes into the previous day, today changes into that day, tomorrow changes into the next day, here changes into there, now changes into then. Was, were, we have already done one sentence that was, were changes into had been, and went is a past tense, so it will change into had gone. Okay, so children, you have to learn these rules very much, and please write all the rules from slide number 2nd. So from the rules of reported speech, we have to write all these rules in your classwork. And writing, apart from writing, you have to learn all the rules very wholeheartedly or very by heart, so that in our next class I'm going to start with there are various types of sentences. Okay, so to change the affirmative assertive sentence in interrogative sentences are there, imperative sentences are there, so you can do it very well if you know the rules. Okay, so please, it's my humble request to you that please learn the rules. Okay, you have to learn these rules by heart, and please do copy all these rules in your classwork, so that in my next module I will start with the types of sentences, how to change the various types of sentences in direct or indirect speech or your narration. Okay, fine. I think it's very much clear to you, children. If you have any doubt, you are free to ask in your live class. Thank you.